Hot take, I enjoy having an RBF. Sue me. Just kidding, actually, don't do that. But the reasoning behind this is because anytime I go somewhere that I don't want to be, pretty much anywhere in public, no one talks to me. I have to go out of my way to talk to other people because I don't look very inviting when I stand out in public. Not because I'm actually angry. That's the whole point of the RBF, and I love it because I can go somewhere and not want to talk to anyone, and no one will talk to me. And if I do, I already know that they're talking to me for some weird reason. So I enjoy it. I don't know if anybody else does, but that's my hot take for the day.